you know that if you use a microwave to heat up food, the food will eventually become hot? But did you know why it becomes hot? It's because you microwaved it.
Did you know that it is much safer to fight with pillows than it is to fight with giant cinder blocks on top of a 58-story building?
Did you know that if you climb up an apple tree, there is absolutely 0% chance you'll find any bananas up there? Did you know that if you are thirsty, it is best to drink water from the tap or a bottle than drink water from the toilet?
Did you know that if you want to make bread and you want it to be fluffier, then you should not add 2 tons of cement? This is because cement is hard. You should try using yeast instead. Understand?
Did you know that Donald Trump is called Donald Trump because his first name is Donald and his last name is Trump?
Did you know that if you have a migraine and you drink concentrated lime juice, it will be very sour and you'll still have a migraine?